a shot, body rock, rock it, don't stop. Up and down, around the clock.
Thank you. All right.
And
No. We got that on. Hi, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and we're so excited because we are launching the Boho Beach collection. Okay, I have worked so hard, and I am so proud of this. Ladies, fashion doesn't have to be hard. I have shopped the main distributors in the area. I source the best online websites to bring you guys the best fashion and the hottest trends for a lot less. Nowhere, I guarantee, are you going to find a summer wardrobe for under $100. We have started out with my favorite, which, as you can see, that's why I wanted the white background. It is total boho, and like I said, all can be worn at the pool, lake, or beach, as well as, like I'm demonstrating, outfits that you can wear when you go out at night. That is the lace long sleeve boho. We also have the black and white. Like I said, ladies, the collection is designed around the two basic colors that match everything, and every other piece of the collection complements each other. That's why you have a summer wardrobe at your fingertips. Hats, boho, and the classy lady hats. The sundresses, we have each size. They stretch. They are so cool and so comfortable, just like I told you. And also the sun hats collection, the scarves that we're talking about that are the 5-way scarves. I just wanted to demonstrate for a moment what I'm talking about. When you are doing a sarong is obvious, okay? A shawl when you're wearing either over one of the sundresses with the classy hat. I mean, it's just sexy, summery, and all around cute. Okay, obviously it's going to be worn as a scarf, but a lot of the girls now are wrapping their hair with it, and I like my cowboy hat, so I'm not going to put it in my hair, but we'll be making videos on those soon. And I just wanted to share with you a lot of the accessories. We're running a special. If you comment below that you watch the video, you will get a fashion freebie, and that I promise you. I wanted to tell you before we go tonight that I've revamped the website. It's total beach theme. A lot of the pictures they're actually real proud of, and they will give you lots of outfit ideas. Everything goes with everything else. Ladies, it could not have been simpler. I've revamped the website. I've put videos on not just what we're doing here with the Boho Beach, but the cupcake coordination. That's the 3 steps to style, just like frosting, sprinkles, and a cupcake. And is the Who Do You Want to Be ebook tonight, and also totally complimentary, no email required. If you want to check it out, just comment below and I'll messenger you a copy. Thank you for being here tonight. We're happy. We've got friends in the house. Yay. Say hey.
Hi.
And so we're going to get off here tonight. I know it's kind of late. Thank you, and check out kimsbeautybiz.com.